I have been on the highway for a long time. The road ahead is straight, lit by a steady stream of headlights. I spot a sign for a service area and take the exit, relieved to have a reason to stop. The parking lot is much larger than I expected. Wide rows of spaces stretch out ahead of me, most of them empty in the early evening. Trucks line one side of the lot in long rows, their engines idling quietly in the dark. I park and switch off the engine. In the sudden quiet, I sit still for a moment before getting out. After hours of driving, it feels like a small relief. My legs are stiff from sitting too long. I take a few slow steps across the concrete, stretching without thinking about it. A small building stands ahead, lit brightly against the dark sky. Near the entrance, vending machines glow steadily, warm colors on one side, cold on the other. I walk over and look at the choices. There are dozens of drinks arranged in rows. I find a hot can of black coffee and press the button. I hear it drop, pick it up, and nearly put it straight back. The can is almost too hot to hold. I wrap both hands around it anyway and walk around to the side of the building. I just stand in the cool air holding the can. The parking lot is quieter than I expected for this time of the evening. Most of the trucks just sit in the dark. A large truck moves slowly through the far end of the lot, its headlights sweeping across the asphalt. I watch it without thinking about anything in particular. I just stand there, letting the night sky settle around me. It is the first real pause in the whole drive. After a few minutes, the can has cooled enough to drink. I take a careful sip. It is strong and slightly sweet. It is exactly the right thing for a dark parking lot in the middle of a long night drive. I finish the coffee slowly. I find a trash bin near the entrance and drop the empty can in. Before going back to the car, I stop and look up at the sky. It is a deep, dark blue. A handful of stars are visible between the clouds. I walk back across the lot to my car and get in. The seat feels okay. I adjust the mirror out of habit. I pull out of the space, and in a minute, I'm back on the highway. The road opens up ahead of me, dark and long. I still have a long way to go, but my head is clear now. I turn on some music, something quiet. I keep driving.